We are here in a raw material storage area of a metalworking company. We perform a large number of lifting operations each day, and for that we rely on THIELE endless chain slings that we use here.
I work with heavy loads every day. The safety of the chain is the most important thing for me.
We use THIELE chains because we have a very high workload, a lot of utilization and many load changes, and accordingly we prioritize safety. And with THIELE chains we've always had the best experience so far.
I've been working with chains and hooks for 34 years. So far I have had no problems, 100% safety.
I also had the chance to visit the THIELE production site, and that's why I know that they place great importance on quality, and we therefore rely on THIELE products.